morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, are very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. I'm coming live and clear from my beautiful home all the time. God is good. God is the best. Is the best key in my life. And today I have special video for you which is coming right now. And today's vlog are very special. So today that's my hairstyle, and technically yesterday came from the salonist, so it's so late, but today I'm going to complete by they wash my hair, but they didn't make maybe the style that you see maybe recently on my videos. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for clicking these videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe. Lord to 6K subscriber, I really appreciate. And right now I'm heading this way, so I'm showing you the beautiful scenery and everything's green. So today I'm going to visit one of my friend, and actually try to imagine this is the road that is passing here. So I'm not maybe faking some road, and maybe people can ask, hello baby, why do you most of the time passing to the forest? No man, in our village here we use maybe there's some shortcut road, panya route and all stuff. I'm telling you, even me one day I'm trying to pass inside with my baby or my motorbike. When I'm saying my baby, maybe most of the haters confused. I'm trying to pass here one day with my motorbike, and we passed very well. Wow. So right now I want to pay a visit to my friend right now as I speak, so I'm heading there, but more videos coming, and I want to show you how God changed people's life from grass to grace, from nothing to something. That is it. And I believe one day it could be happen to me. But the main key point is to stay, is to be positive on one side, and things will move smoothly. And I know, guys, you will maybe saying, "Hey, baby, go and change your hairstyle." But even right now, my mom recommend better you open your hair like that way. You see, this is my hair, guys. I'm telling you, this is my hair, and technically this is my hair, man. I'm telling you. Whoa, imagine it has 1 year, and maybe let's see, maybe 2 years coming. And anyway, let's go and visit one of my brother. But I didn't have my baby right now. I just use walking by foot. Wow. Whoa. And for me, I feel so happy every time when I see things change and where I'm coming from. I say, God, thank you, because God is my key in my life. That is it, and I believe on that. So anyway, guys, today videos are very special, and I done these videos maybe for the first time on my vlog. So I want to show you guys how God changed people's life, including I myself. God changed my life. I'm telling you, if you're going and watch my back videos and compare today's vlog, there's some big changes. And I'm keep going far away. We call far away or farther away, whichever the case. So let's go. Imagine, this is the road. I'm telling you, look, this is the road. Like here you see green, look here, it's the road. So let me show you. We keep going. Wow, This is the land that I love, with the free air, fresh air, green scenery, free freedom, you know. And the good thing about in our village here, no phone snatcher, no camera snatcher. I'm telling you, you can do what you can do right now. So let's go. Whew. Oh guys, today wear the shirts. I'm look like I'm in beach, but I'm still in my village here. It's so crazy. But for me, I love this shirt because you can walk maybe when it's sunny day, whether it's not sunny day, you can walk with it. Wow. So let's go. Let's go and see. Whoa. And maybe on today's vlog, after this, I'm heading to border town, and then I'll show you how I will make my hairstyle. Maybe I'll go back home, taking my breakfast, and then I boom to border town. Wow. That way. I'm going that way. Wow. So guys, keep it locked. More amazing videos coming. Wow guys, so I have reached around here. So more amazing videos coming, and I want to meet one-on-one with the owner. And that being said, I want to show you how God changed people from grace to grass, from nothing to something. That being said early. So today is today, and after this I'm heading to border town. So, oh, look at this bicycle, man. Hey, nice one. For maybe enjoying in the village, life in the village. Wow. So I camped over here, and you can see the firewood. You see the house, and man, look, the village house here. It reminds me of back home there. Wow. So this is the chilling point. Those stuff. One way story about camera. One on one. Wow. Hey. One more and the five. Yes, guys. So I'm just over here, and I meet one-on-one.
Yeah, Mr. TB. TB.
True boy.
Yeah,
oh,
True boy over here.
I saw the comment TB.
TB is a short name of True Boy. T.
Like for me, guys, HBO.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hello Baby Official. Yeah, thank you so much. Welcome to Hello Baby Official YouTube channel. If you are from my end, please subscribe to my channel and subscribe to his channel too. If you are watching for the first time, you know, and if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, please do so. We are just over here, and today we have a lot of visitors. That's why you can see a lot of motorcycles all around.
New machine. Japanese machine.
Yeah, that's my babes over there, and this is my friend.
You know, guys, when you say baby, for the haters, maybe we are being confused.
With me,
when you said maybe, it's a motorbike. Even me have baby there. It's a motorbike.
Yeah, they have to understand.
Yes.
My babes, my friends, motorcycle.
This one
motorcycle,
here.
And Hello Baby Official's motorcycle, and my brother's motorcycle over
this
here.
One here.
You know? So I'm so happy, by the way, bro, for visiting me. It's just a big surprise, by the way. For the first time, a YouTuber just arrived in my home, and also maybe, you know, I don't have that much, at least just to appreciate for your coming. May God keep on blessing us all, so that one day, one time, we're gonna be visiting each other, you know.
Okay, guys, so for now, maybe True Boy take me around to sky kissing.
Oh, you want me to take you around?
Take me around.
Okay, let me take Hello Baby. Oh, you want that, right?
GoPro.
GoPro 12.
That's GoPro 12.
The first guy to have to own GoPro 12.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's okay. So anyway, guys, this is my home. If you're watching for the first time, this is True Boy's home, and from far, that's a big mansion. Blessed mansion. Yeah, blessed mansion. And I'm so happy by the way for this.
Yes, I was watching your videos every time. Man,
Really?
God is good. I'm telling you guys how God uplifts people. Imagine.
Yeah. Anyway.
Less than a month, few months, and then
Yeah,
kumbe
it's
ni rumbo
It's
kwa-
just less than a month, by the way.
This
And
one here.
It's because God had a plan. With me, I had a plan, by the way, but I never expected to own this big house like this one, you know. It was just like, oh, one day I'll have to own this big house like this.
This one
And
here. guys.
finally, it's here. So, before we move inside, I think, what can you maybe comment on the house, you know?
Okay, for me, I said it's a huge transformation, and for those people I'll keep maybe by supporting us, watching videos, may God bless you. Know this dream come to reality.
For sure.
And maybe how do you feel when you are your own boss on this maybe mansion here?
I
How do
feel
you feel?
extremely happy, and I keep on appreciating God's love because it's only God. It's like I never expected, but God, you know, decided to say, "Oh, True Boy, you have to own your own home," and now this is my own home. Yesterday is the day that I completed raising the walls of the
Yes,
house.
like this gable here.
Yeah, the gable over there, the front gable, but we haven't yet finished from the other back gable.
Yes, we call this front porch and back porch.
Front porch, back porch. Now this is a gable.
Yes, this is a gable here with the bricks, guys.
Yeah. The reason why we let's start from here. The reason why we used the bricks is because
You want to raise a roof?
no, not that one. The reason because you can see the distance from the other pillar and this pillar. The distance is very wide. So instead we use the bricks because they are light. You know, when we use stones, they're gonna be heavy and maybe the
Yes,
gable.
I know. The pillar will maybe bend.
Yeah, it will bend. So that's why we use the bricks because it's a bit light than stone.
Oh, guys, nice stairs. Welcome.
Yeah, now the mansion. Blessed house over here.
Guys, imagine from nothing to something.
Yeah, True Boy's house.
True
over
Boy
here.
house.
True Boy's home. So anyway, this is a living room. I
Over
decided
here.
to make the big enough so that it can at least host maybe visitors. You know, you never know tomorrow how tomorrow will be. One day I'm going to marry, and I'll be receiving maybe our mother-in-laws.
Imagine, guys, those maybe marriage status must be there when you are grown up, and maybe you build a house like this.
Yes.
What next, guys? Imagine you are grown up, you must marry. Yes, for sure.
Yeah, it must,
Yes.
That's even it was
A normal human being, when maybe you arrange your things in order, next thing is to have a family.
Yeah.
No one who can complain. No one.
Yeah, for sure. So and to this wall that you are seeing here,
Over
we
here.
call an arc. Now on this side, this is a dining room. This is where we'll be taking our meals. You know? Yeah. So there is when we will be doing finishing. I think you will be able to see the boundary between the
Yes.
living room and the.
Maybe for those people watching, they have already known living room, dining area, because we have the kitchen here, serving point.
Yeah,
Yes.
open kitchen. By the way. Yeah, that's how it is.
And you build a large window for the kitchen point. Look, I'm telling you. Maybe people
yeah.
who are sitting here, they can sit and then watch what are you cooking there, and then.
Yeah, they're gonna watch, but you know, I think it's going to be modern kitchen. Even you won't be that much interested to see what is there because they will be just over there. When now it comes in, when the food is ready, it's when now we'll be shifting to this point. You know?
And maybe you put some screen there. Maybe
Yeah,
if you are sitting here eating or lunch, dinner, you watch there. And maybe by God willing, your wife is cooking there. Sometimes is watching here.
Yeah,
You know.
yes. Everything is going to be possible, and I believe that my house is going to be modern. When we say like modern, just underline the word modern. Yeah, let's just understand that. I think we would have started from the other room.
Okay, let's even from
you wanted a house tour or what do you want?
Even a house tour, it's okay.
Or when you were coming, what was in your mind like?
Okay, for my mind, because I was watching this maybe mansion from scratch up to now. So maybe I want to done some maybe tour. And then maybe even me, I'm on that process for building my mom's dream house, but a small one.
Small one.
Yes.
Right?
Sometimes maybe I came and then see your dining hall, how it's been building,
for sure.
living room, maybe washroom, window, and then I learned something new from you.
And there is no way like each and every person must learn, even the older, even if somebody is too old, each and every day he has to learn. He or she has to learn maybe new things, With you, maybe you've been in good houses, but when you are here, you're gonna see, True Boy did this, and the other house didn't have this. So to me, this is a modern one, So it's good for you maybe to walk. Maybe that's not for me.
Yeah, guys, it's good maybe to make some a small tour, and for me, I'm so grateful.
We're gonna start from here. Now this is the other bedroom.
Maybe for the visitor.
My mom's bedroom. Yeah, this is my mom's bedroom.
You'll be staying with your mom?
Yeah, for the time being, I'll have to stay with my mom because maybe tomorrow is another day.
I know that repercussion for your mom.
Yeah, the house is big. So this is my mom's house. Maybe the other one is gonna be for the visitor.
You know what? Let me tell you, maybe there's one example. This house, it can be for meanwhile as a family house. As you plan yourself, maybe less than 2 years, you can build your mom's house. Because it's so big.
For now, I can't tell if it's family house, but it's a True Boy's house. Because
it's a True Boy house, I know.
It's the house is going to have I'm going to live inside here. Mr. True Boy 208 and my mom.
Yes.
So with other brothers and others, we are going to sort it out. Maybe when I'm done with this, I'm gonna help them or I'm gonna support them. The reason being, if I decided to, maybe we have two brothers, right?
I know.
So if I have to, not only that I have two brothers, I have like 5 brothers, but others are
that we are remaining with your mom's compound.
Others have shifted. They have families, so we are not counting them as a family, So for now, I have 2 brothers. The elder brother who is always working here, and the younger brother. So if I say like it's a family house, if I decide to take 1 bedroom and give my brother, and another bedroom to give my brother, they will not
maybe it's making so hard, maybe they feel like, my brother give me a room, no problem.
I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable. So with me, what I'll do, I'm going to, maybe I'll be living with my mom alone here, because she has we can say like she's not expecting other blessing from maybe but I think now I'm his destination. When I'm building this, she will be here. She will be staying with me here. So with my brothers, they have now to be inspired. Oh, my young brother did this. Or my elder brother did this. With me, I have to build another house, small house there at least, So that will make them a bit work hard, Yeah, that's the reason why I'm telling you, like, it's not a family house. But
I know it's a True Boy house.
Yeah.
We call Caribbean or
no.
True Boy Villa.
House. No, blessed house.
And it have a toilet.
It have a washroom over here. It has a washroom, and we were trying to do
this one here, guys. Wow.
There's a toilet, and there is
a washroom.
They marked
they maybe shower.
Yeah, shower. Now they will come and do wall chasing.
Yes.
When we are ready, maybe for the plaster.
No.
Before.
Things like maybe plumbing, wiring, you do first, and then you start plastering.
Yeah.
So there's no need, maybe you plaster and then you start making a mark. No.
When that it makes the wall, it won't, like when you plaster like this and when you place your pipes, then now you come to plaster again, it won't be like that uniform. It won't be uniform. So when I roof the house, then they will come and do the pipings.
Yes.
Then now I gonna start plastering the
Yes,
house.
and then here maybe you wash maybe your hand after visiting the loo.
The sink. Yeah,
the sink.
Yeah, this is the sink.
Hey, you have a good idea.
And now this one is another bedroom. Maybe for my younger brother or visitor. You know?
Like for example, when maybe I pay a visitor to True Boy,
Yes.
I'll have maybe accommodation like 2 to 3 days, and then
you wanna stay, I'm gonna take you here and be enjoying your overnight here. Because daytime will be maybe we will be out hustling out, you know. But now overnight you'll be spending your time off.
And you know the fact thing that I like your house and I like your plan is maybe when you're staying here, nobody can know you where are you heading to, maybe in outside the toilet. It's just over here. You just shift from there, from the room, and your mom from your room.
Yeah.
Just like private.
Yeah, that's how. That's why I decided at least to make every room to be to have its own washroom. Yes. And also this washroom you are seeing here, it acts like public washroom because.
Oh, I know. For the sitting room, if you eat from the dinner and your stomach is full, you must run to here.
You just come here, you know.
I know.
Yeah, you just come.
Yeah, you have a good idea.
Right?
You have a good idea.
Yeah, that's like what I said.
Wow. So you are going on the main room, man. I'm telling you.
Before you start, before you start something, you must have a plan, and you must have a plan. You plan it very well, then you start. You know, not like now you are done building the walls. Now you start saying, I wish I would have now this was supposed to be maybe the bedroom was supposed to be here. No. Before that, you must ensure that you plan where the rooms are, and when now you start building, now everything is sorted.
Okay, and then this is another room or is a store?
This one is a store.
Oh.
And everything, yeah.
Wow.
So with this, we will be.
Maybe you can put a small bed here. No. If maybe somebody feel like, you know, like when you are inside there on the dining hall and the door are being closed and you have the back porch, you can sit inside here relaxing. This store is so big.
Okay, it's so big, but it won't be like a bedroom because if I needed maybe 4 bedroom, I would have built a 4 bedroom. But with my plan, I decided to say this is
3 bedroom.
Yeah, it's a 3 bedroom house. But yeah, it's a 3 bedroom house. Yeah. So before I started, I said I have to build a 3 bedroom house. So this one is going to remain a store. Whichever happens.
Guys, I know in our village here, farming is our backbone. Maybe through by they can harvest maybe 100 sacks of maize. Yes. They can keep stocking inside here. Like yes, I know.
And sometimes, you know, here in the village, most of the time we don't have electricity. So I must have sacks of charcoals here. You know. So when you have maybe charcoals here, let's say like when you are if your room is tight and you have your sack of charcoal here and the base is here, what do you think? You have like they are going to like the let's say the charcoal and the maize, those chaps are going to mix. When you are going to eat, you are going to eat plus charcoal.
Okay,
you know? But if you have maybe your charcoal here and the
maize is there,
so your food is safe.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. And those now, these are now the kitchen.
Yes, maybe we have some sinkers and all stuff.
Kitchen sink. Because it was double, that's why we did this because. And we have 2 pipes over there.
I know, guys.
Yeah. That one and this one. Because it's double. That's why we did like that. We put you know, people will ask why are those
I know there is some those double sinkers and it have some small hole. When you fix here those plate sinkers and then when you wash your stuff we go inside and then we'll connect maybe somewhere here going this way. Yes, I know.
So that's how and over here. Now you'll be serving your food.
These are serving points?
Yeah, serving points.
Okay.
And also now I think it's going to be modern. You will see.
I know,
See,
I know.
So please subscribe. Ensure you click the bell so that you don't miss any video coming out. And also please subscribe to TrueBoy208. Here I am.
Black and white.
And now when black and white over here.
Oh, you're heading to the king place.
Now over here, this study room or the office. You know?
For your privacy issues and all stuff.
Issues, you know, I'm a doctor. I don't know if people know that I am a doctor. With me, I'm a doctor.
Yes, I know.
I must have a lot of researchers. You know, there is no need to go and sit on the bed doing your research, or there is no need to go where people are sitting, maybe watching in the bed in a sitting room or a living room, disturbing your mind. You know, it's good to have your privacy room, where you can do your research.
I know.
Where when you come, when you are tired, you can have a rest. You know? So now this is the study room or the.
And maybe, for example, if you want maybe to upload your videos and all stuff,
like
you must maybe fix your laptop here on the table.
Yeah.
When you get out, you lock your door and then you went out.
Sure. And that's why I installed the piping of the
I know.
electricity, you know.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. So these are the study room or the office.
Guys, let me show you the advantage to build a big window. You can see that view. Look. You see?
Yeah.
Imagine you are maybe working here and then you are watching people outside, green view and
the purpose of big windows. Sometimes when it's hot and if you don't have maybe let's say the what we call like air purifier. How do we call them?
Ventilation or air circulation.
Yeah, I think I don't know what is the.
Maybe for example, we use this vent here. Yes,
so,
maybe
that one it won't be enough. So it's good to have big windows. So at least to purify the air. You know, also it has two purposes maybe, and another purpose is for more lighting.
I know, and it's get the beauty of your room.
Yeah,
you know, like modern, like olden, maybe traditional way, they have maybe some small window.
Yeah.
But right now,
and that's why you find that the rooms are very dark. You know.
Imagine.
But if you have this big window, even if the snake is in the corner,
you can
when
see.
you just open the window, you see it. But when it's too dark, even when it's the snake just crawling on the corner of the walls, you won't be able to see it.
Yes, guys, and for me right now, I say God thank you because people come with modern technology.
Yeah.
Like old years, our old grandpa, they were being staying with snake.
Yeah.
They haven't know that they're staying with the snake on that room because they built a small window like this, guys. I mean, but this one, it's wide. You can open. You can see people who are coming from outside. You can get fresh air and all stuff. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow,
that's
guys.
how it is. So, Mr. Elabedi.
We are going to the king room.
Now when you'll be building your house, ensure that your house is big. The
I do
windows
my
are
house is
big
big.
enough, you know. Yeah. Now over here, where Mr. TrueBoy208 is.
You'll be sleeping here.
Now this is my master bedroom, you know. With big windows, you can see, both
Guys,
sides,
yes. Imagine even right now, the birds are singing some song outside. And then maybe TrueBoy, you are sleeping here, you're watching birds outside, cow are grazing over there.
And imagine the good thing is, when TrueBoy started building the house, also the birds started building.
Oh,
for sure.
guys, when I'm going outside, I will show you. You see that one there? That's one there. Birds are building. And then maybe when you finish the house, maybe everything. Even the birds will finish building.
Yeah, for sure. I'm sure. But they have already started living there. With me, I haven't yet started living here. You know? So that's another. So now that's my master bedroom from the other end.
This one here, guys.
And now over here is the walk-in closet for the clothes and everything. You know.
Yes.
Instead of just putting a lot of clothing there, you just come, you just have the separate room for the clothing. You know?
I know.
Yeah, for enough room. Now if you decide today I want to be in a suit, you just come here and
Did you mind to wear a suit?
With me, with my profession, it allows because a doctor, a doctor always,
Okay. Yeah. And for me, guys, I'm comfortable with this shirt here. I'm very comfortable.
One day, people will not see me like this one day right now. People will be surprised to seeing me in a suit, with a tie and everything, That's how it will be.
Wow. And your washroom is so big. Maybe you can put...
My mom is calling me.
You just go. Well, guys, as I'm waiting, maybe True Boy, and guys, keep maybe supporting us by watching videos. That's the big improvement which we are making for us. Wow.
Yeah. So with here, now this is my master washroom.
Yes, I know.
I'll be washing myself here. I'll be helping myself here. Everything.
And then you put maybe the sinker, maybe the basin sinker.
Yeah.
And then we know like adventures maybe for people who are building, guys. I saw in Follow the Boy some sinkers, and then you put the glass. Nobody can see you when you go and taking shower there. Nobody can see you.
Oh.
If maybe for example your wife will become maybe to the toilet here, will not see you maybe taking shower there because you have the block. We call
glass,
those maybe boundary for the glass, and there was translucent. Nobody can see you inside. Yes.
Wow. That's another good idea. The more we... That's why I told
you can go and watch my videos when I was making with Follow the Boy, and then I get some advice there, maybe in terms how to build a house, 3-bedroom, a small one. And then I saw that sitting, we call it sitting what?
The
basin.
Sitting basin.
Yes, and then you have some windows. You can go and watch that videos, and then you will see.
All right, that's a good idea. With me, that's why the reason why I decided to build this washroom big. It's because it has like the way I told you, like my house is going to be modern. I don't know what will happen maybe in the future. Maybe I'll have to decide to have a basin here. Or maybe other things will come,
Automatically, that one will come on your mind.
Yeah.
And then, guys, comment us on the comment section. For me, I'm just give Truba small advice. When he put that sink basin, he must maybe to create some translucent boundary for the windows. And yeah, you can't see.
It's gonna be alright, and that's a good idea with me. That's a good idea. So that's how my house is small.
Well, guys, the owner of this house, True Boy.
Yeah, True Boy here, Mr. Dr. Juma here.
You laugh like a BT.
We are like twins.
You laugh like a BT.
We've been together for long.
Laugh again, guys. Compare with the BT.
No. Maybe if you tell me something nice, I gonna.
Incredible story, guys, for that day. Okay.
Anyway, so this is a small house tour. Hello baby decided to come and visit me. Yeah.
And then you have maybe some sinker there. I can advise you. You know that sinker? You can put maybe 4 pillars here, there, and then yes. So maybe you put the concrete, and then on the top you can create a good house. I'm telling you. You look at the way you're gonna build a toilet, and then on top is a house.
I've never been there, boy.
When you put some concrete balanced, and then your toilet have some 4 pillars every corner, and then you put some concrete. Let me show you. You have corner number 1 here, 2, 3, 4. And then you put some steel bar, you put concrete. After that, you raise up your pillars on top, you put another concrete, like a field. And then maybe at here, you can create a staircase going. Yes.
And also on top, yeah.
Down will be the toilet, public toilet outside one. On the rooftop will be a house.
Wow. That's a good idea. That's why I told you we have to be learning each and every day. Each and every day, it's a new day. You have to learn new things. So with me,
the birds here are singing.
Yeah, birds are very happy. Birds are very
Okay.
So with me, I've really tried, and I did.
God is good. God is
what
good.
we call king of the wall.
Yes.
We did the keys of the wall. Instead of just plastering the house, I want to plaster the house.
I know maybe if you are maybe decorating, it's only pillars. Every corner's pillars.
With this, you can see first layer, we plastered it.
Yes, here.
Yeah, this is This is what we call the
foundation.
And now this, because now this is going to be like anyway, there was stones over here also.
Yes, I know.
So we decided to plaster it. Then from there we are going to have like we are going to beautify it. It's not going to be remain dull like this one. Yeah,
I know. I like your keys for your house. It's good. I'm telling you. Look.
Wow. Yeah. It's zero distance.
Zero distance.
Yeah.
And then you have maybe a good good we call it good engineer, because your house are well organized. They are putting well keys. You can see, guys.
Yeah. Anyway, I was very strict, and also I have a professional engineer, like a government one, by the way. It's a government one who has a permit, who has a permit of a building. So everything I did legally, you know, like my house plan was well stamped by the government. It has governmental stamps, like I'm allowed to build.
Like etiquette and all stuff.
Everything, like health, it's there, like it's approved. It's approved map, like it was approved, like now true boy.
Guys, I'm so hungry. You know the reason why you approved your house is because maybe when there is a car, government will maybe feed on that part.
That's why I never wanted corner.
Yes,
you know, I never wanted corner because there is a time will come, maybe you'll need them. You'll need the government. So
for example, guys, sorry for this, we use as an example. For example, maybe this place got a crack.
Yes.
You have a right to claim on your engineer, and then the engineer, maybe when engineer maybe cornering, you have to take under the law. Yes, that's the reason why, guys, you take everything serious.
So I would like to maybe to advise the people who are going to build, like ensure that you are allowed by the government. Maybe the engineer who drew your house plan must be like a government engineer.
Yes, educated.
So, yeah, at least with my house. So far, I have no any problem.
Yes, I
see. Maybe a crack.
No,
or
I
like
see.
The wall is like
bending.
This.
No.
Or,
guys, for example, if you are here and I'm not zooming the camera, look, guys. You see, the wall is very, very straight.
It's very straight, by the way.
Imagine, guys.
It's very, very straight.
Wow.
So everything is okay, and that's why like I have to appreciate, because even the time I took to maybe all the money I gave the engineer, it really works, because like even the walls, yesterday he was here and he approved.
Is that all that engineer that I saw with Carl Joseph?
Yeah.
I know. He was the one who built to David Jr. I know that engineer.
Oh,
yes,
really?
I know. Yes, I know. If I saw your video with the crowd Joseph went to their land there, that they come with like brown, tall brown. I know that engineer.
I think it's the one.
Yes, I know.
But with me, I don't know who is the Junior's engineer. I am not.
Is that one? I know.
But if he's the one, that's a real engineer.
That's a real engineer. I know him.
For real.
I know him. So, like for me, when when I'm going to build my mom a small 3-bedroom house, I'll go to him and then advise me, show me some drawing for the house and all stuff.
Modern house.
Yeah, modern house.
Yeah, now that's how it is. And now finally it's a
back porch.
Back porch.
You know, for me, recently time I was calling a veranda and people advised me, hello baby, it's a porch. It's a porch.
With me, I learned it from my house plan. It was written like back porch.
Imagine.
I was like, oh, even me, I used to know that it's
a veranda.
Yeah, back veranda.
Or a corridor.
Or a corridor. You know? But another term is
porch. Porch.
Yeah, porch.
Wow,
so
nice.
That's the real picture of my house. Though it's small, it's not that much small, but at least it's enough for me for the time being. I just give thanks to Almighty God to keep on blessing, and so that I'm gonna finish it, you know. With me, anyway, I have been in a long way, and I'm still heading a long way, because I've not yet did what we call like roofing, and still finishing is required. So just ask God to keep on blessing so that when I see the house finished, I'll have to praise the name of the
But God,
Almighty God.
The way you move some steps, God will open another door maybe for roofing. I'm telling you.
Amen. Amen.
Because in future, when you maybe you are walking, maybe you never expect maybe one day it could be happen. Sure. It's through God's plan and prayers and everything. And for me, I wanna say just stay calm, positive, and honest.
Thank you.
Everything will be run smoothly. I'm telling you. So let's check maybe CJ.
Oh, CJ.
Yes, and then say hi to him.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I will end my video like that. Yes. I'm telling you guys, we try to pass on these trees, alright? Imagine guys. So when I'm coming on the way, that been said earlier, there's some road here and you can pass with a motorbike. Look. So I prove right. Imagine, as a small boy driving me on the motorbike, passing on this trees here, or on this forest. Look, incredible story for another day. Yeah. See? So imagine guys, you see? Wow. And then we meet the main road around here. Imagine, left the forest right now. Oh, now we are on a wide road right now. So that is it, my bike I passed all of that forest. You think that, oh, I'm joking. Oh. Enggak?
Orang kita.
Goro-goro.
Kau kuling salah.
Tak ada aja. Jangan aku maju loh. Wow guys, we have another church here. Nama yang tidak gustira kuya. Nama kuya kan?
Ini mana bakau ini?
Wow. Guys, he tried to escort me. And that being said, my baby doesn't have the kerosene. Oh, we got the gasoline in it. So, motorbike are means of transport. So, today I want to pay this guy $100 or tomorrow. Yeah. By tomorrow I'll pay for mine. Wow, the views of my village. Tanong tanong simple pia kahe. Ina ndi diri sikira. Utai biju mana ndache? Nyembo te membisim. Even the kids are grazing cow. Look, that incredible story. Mura, like, yeah, there's some cow. You are very well. Hey, onu unachunga mura mahindi ya watu. Yes, I'm telling him to take care of maize people because they are grazing right now. Hey, wow. So that is it, man. That's my beauty of my village, I'm telling you. The young boy on the control, driving hello baby slow. See? Oh. Miguto nyambango kohomale moe. Wow.
Mata nona kurangi ipu.
Hey, you see kids are going to the river, fetching water, looking down there. This lake. Am I remember? So right now I'm heading to Nyabohansi. I'm telling you. Look how it looks, very beautiful. You see that house? Very nice, man. Wow. Oh. Some business. This is where brother and my sister learned on this beautiful school. They have a date, I'm telling you. Oh. Wow. Car alongside the road. Nice hotel. I'm telling you. Oh, oh. Wow. That's how guys should go. Será andar se querendo, andar se quer. Como é que você quer aqui?
Ah,
Oh, so this is Nyabohansi, I'm telling you. Well guys, I'm inside my house and I want to take my breakfast right over here. So we have the beans, we have beans and rice, and also inside here we have tea. So yesterday, that's the beans for yesterday, which my mom have peeled, and I want to take my breakfast. First, I want to say thank you so much for always coming close to my channel and clicking this video. Wow. So, oh, we're like crazy. But I wake up early in the morning in my house, so you know, sometime I wear like crazy. But it is what it is. Let's follow the vibe, you know. So after this, I'll take you outside to see what is going on. And today, I'll take my hair to salonist. You see, that's my hair, man. I'm telling you, that's my hair. So today, I feel like I could take to the salonist and make for me another style. So yesterday, I washed too late, and I supposed to run back to my home. But comment on the comment section how am I look with this my hairstyle right now, or I'm going to make the way they are. It is what it is. So let me take my breakfast. Wow. Woo. That is it. This is my strong breakfast. So that being said earlier, as long as when I take a strong breakfast, I'm ready to go. So right now, let me see. No, every day, maybe, yeah, today is the tea for milk tea. Yeah. Sometimes I take black coffee, but right now it's a milk tea. Wow, with rice at this moment. So that's how my mom prepare the early breakfast. Wow, imagine these beans. If you're watching the video for yesterday, you will see how my mom peeled the beans. Wow. very, very delicious, man. For me, when I take breakfast like this one and a strong one, no lunch. We shall meet maybe supper time. But for now, anyway, guys, you're amazing for me, and I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to make video after video, content after content, and I'm flow with positive vibe all the time. We shall win. So maybe on today's vlog, I'm trying to pass to my neighbor who make for me some bricks. I want to see some progress, and I hope I will meet him while making some bricks. You know, sometime when I went there, maybe I found him, maybe arranging bricks, covering bricks. But right now, I'm guess when I meet her on the process of making bricks, I will show you guys, and then you see how people make some bricks, man. I'm telling you. Wow. So let me enjoy my breakfast. And guys, this is where I'm coming from, and this is where my house, and actually this is how my house looks like. I have the chairs there, I have another one here, I have table, and over there I have some chairs over there. But the pink one, that is the clothes which I wash and then I put there. We have the TV, we have the carpet. Man, it's through you by watching my videos, and then I chase the dream come to reality. You know, that is it. That is it. For me, I'm just flow with vibe. I'm telling you, man. Wow. So I'm continuing taking breakfast, and then I'll take you outside to see what is going on. And guys, if you can support maybe in terms of tiles to put maybe in my toilet there, so that is the most important, that give me maybe some time, give me hectic, so when I finish maybe earlier. But through your support by watching my videos, I just move slowly, and then guys, you support me a lot in other way, you know, like this house, it's through one of our courtesy of our fans do it possible. I put ceiling board, I buy TV, painting the wall, making the chair, man, you know. So that is it. And for me, I want to say thank you so much for those people who are keep watching my videos until the end, you know. And anyway, maybe on these videos I will show you how to make this hairstyle, because that being said earlier, yesterday I came from salonist and it's so late. Wow. So that is it, man. I want to say thank you so much. I got another subscriber bought for me a nice table, man. Look, this is the big 5 wild animal, this elephant here, you know. So I thank God, because when I remember recently time I was having these chairs that you see here and no table, and maybe when I want to take some food like this one or breakfast, I put on the floor like here. But right now I have the glass table, man. I'm telling you, this glass table. Wow. So to be honest and humble, man, dream will be coming to reality. Wow. And the good thing about me, guys, I'm just showing you how maybe things move on through my village, how I do some work, how I move, you know. So that's what kind of video I like, and most so prefer maybe to do some traveling vlog, but in terms of maybe capital, maybe taking me around, maybe traveling around East Africa, it's because maybe traveling need maybe to have a lot of money. Maybe when you travel so far, you need maybe to book the B&B to sleep, you need to eat in hotel, all stuff. But all in well, one day I'll try to travel East Africa. You know, traveling East Africa, it doesn't need maybe things like passport. You can cut maybe temporary passport. Maybe when I'm traveling from here to Uganda, I can cut maybe migration there, temporary passport. I go there like 1 month or 2 weeks. It depends maybe the day which I'm prefer. Well, or not, you know what? I'm going to Uganda like 1 week and then come back. And then on the migration, they cut you for maybe migration when you came from the country, the country that you came from and where you're heading to. You must cut 2 temporary or 1 temporary and then have been stamped. You move from Kenya, you're going to Uganda, and then when you go to Uganda on the same temporary, you have the stamp that means that you are moving to Uganda. So guys, I feel like when dream come to reality, one day I will show you how I'm traveling like crazy, and I will show so many places. So many places. So many places. But I know most of the people, you are still waiting this moment. So genuinely, when I finish maybe building my mom dream house over there, I'll start thinking of traveling. I'm telling you, I'll start thinking of traveling. But right now, I'm just focused on my mom's dream house, you know. Wow. And this rice is tasting so sweet. I feel like I could eat slowly. Well guys, we shall meet on the next video when I'm finishing maybe taking my breakfast. And in case you're new here guys and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Lord to 6K subscriber, I appreciate. And maybe one day I will find myself to be 10K subscriber. But I'm trying to climb the ladder slowly guys, slowly. You show me some love, I show you good videos, I show you where I'm coming from. No more hide. Look, this is where I'm coming from. This is my dad's home. Like right now you see my brother's small roundery, like hanging there. And if I remember one day, people ask me, hello baby, you go home, show us where you came from. Right now, I show you like crazy every day home. This is where I'm coming from. And the fact, I thank God, every day when I wake up early in the morning, we change the vibe. Like today, it's more crazy, you know, it's more crazy. Like when I'm moving out, I'll show you. But I'm on insist on this. I'm on the process of fixing tiles. And even right when I'm speaking right now, we have 1 box of tiles over there. So let me show you. I don't want maybe to mention we have 1 box of tiles and you haven't seen. So for now, let me show you. My baby's sleeping here, no gasoline. It's crazy. So I have 1 box of tiles, you see, just over here. This 1 box of tiles for walling, you know. Wow. So anyway guys, we shall meet on the next video. Finally, my good people, I finished taking my breakfast right now, and I suppose heading outside to see what is going on. Wow, let me close my house. And right now no one is here. So when I left home like this, supposed to lock the gate. I'm trying to create imagination every day when I pass here, when I see this stuff. New technology, serious. People come with a new technology, I'm telling you. Wow, so let's go outside. Oh. Morning, happy mama. Wow. So I'm just around here. So no one is here and I'm supposed to lock the gates. I didn't find the padlock. Yeah? Oh. Anyway, so I have already seen my mom. You know. So guys, this is the structure which I was putting more effort. And I say, God, thank you so much by having things like this. In the morning, we have another word I can use. When I wash my face in the morning, I see this structure. I said, God, thank you. God, thank you. God, thank you. And I've already fixed the first washroom and second. So between those two doors, I mean this one. So I've already fixed the tiles, that one there and this one here. First and last. But between these two doors is the toilet one, and I haven't put any tiles. Like even here on top, it needs tiles, guys. Here and here. Here we apply paint. Here some paint. Here we'll do rough cast. So the only tiles will be running inside here, on this porch and on the front of the door. So that is it. That is it. So let me say hello to my mom and my beloved princess sister before I move. Whoa! And then I will check the guy who make for me some bricks right now. Wow. People, they think that I'm in coastal beaches. Can naked? Naked. That's maybe hot. Guys, we have a newborn calf here. Hey, hey. Mama say
Hello.
yes. For me, I'm leaving home right now. I'm going to look for our daily work, like hustling. And then I must say hi to my mom when I'm going. Say hello. Tasita kwa kichwa. Tasita kwa kichwa. Umekunywa chai? Na mchele? So you see my mom, they tried to put this car. Fungua? Konga. Wow. So that's my mom. They tried to pull the newborn calf. It has like 1 week ago. Wow. I'm heading to check my neighbor who make for me some bricks. Whoa, this is my home. This is what I'm calling home. You know, right now. But soon things will move on, things will change. Wow, let's go. Woo. I want to see the process for today. Woo. You know the good thing about me, I'm running with time. Let me check the time. Okay, I'm checking time, guys. It's 10:03 a.m. That's my local time, you know. So if you want to make sure that your day ended and things went right, you must work with time. Check time as you move, you know. Time wasted, never recovered. So I learned that word since I was in my primary school. Wow. Let's go. Whoa. I want to see how my neighbor have been making for me bricks. And I pray in Jesus' name. Maybe I pray to find him. How they're making those bricks, and I will show you. I feel like, oh man, I'll catch him how they make those bricks, and I'll show you. That's my big dream, and I'm trying to make sure dream come to reality. I'm telling you. And when I'm starting building, maybe next year, guys, please just comment below. Maybe I'm still waiting the day, and it will come, guys. By God's grace, it will come. And for me, I thank God for the gift of life. That is it. That is it. It is what it is. So let's go. Martin. We use a shortcut inside here. Going this way. Wow. Whew. Hey. That's how our neighbors looks like. Look. Over there, that's my home. Imagine, and I'm heading this way to check how that guy make for me some bricks. Whoa. Man, I eat until my stomach look big. I will avoid to eat some breakfast and lunchtime. Wow. Let's go. And the fact thing about me, when I have my project, I must show you the progress every day. Every day. I show you the progress every day. Wow. So let's move on. See how things move on. And I'm telling you, this banana plantation, we have maize, we have finger millet, everything here. Even that one that you see like a grass, there's a finger millet over there. Oh. This is the real life in our village. We saw only motorbike inside here. So like that's the motorbike passing here. Whoa. Anyway, when I reach here, guys, no option, no hopes. I didn't find my neighbor making for me bricks. Although maybe it's because of he give time when it's dry up, take inside. Maybe I understand maybe here in that situation. But right now, let me show you. Maybe in case you are new here, I wanna show you right now. This is my project. That being said, we didn't have enough water at home, and he used its own water. Like when it's dry up, it will take inside the house. Like inside here. You see? So all these bricks that you see here, it's belong to me, and we negotiate the price. So he make for me 10,000 bricks. I pay him $400. And guys, if you can support on that, please support. And it's a good bricks. Look, good bricks. Nice one. All that you see here, and this is around 400. So we have like 600 bricks to go. 6,000. So this is around 4,000. I mean, so we have 6,000 to complete 10,000 bricks. You know, so man, that being said, I want to chase my dream come to reality. Like all right, even this one here that you see, maybe because he covered by using this stuff here sometime, and he has a small potting paper. So if he could have maybe a large potting paper, he can make some bricks from other side. from other side coming that way. So maybe per day he make 500 bricks. The day will end like that. So let's go. Wow. Today it's amazing day, and we have one of our church over here. So you know, when I was going deep, there is one guy calling, "Oh, you are going to border town?" No. I'm just around at my village here. Wow. Imagine, you have stones everywhere. Like, if you want to chill, you have stones there. Beautiful stones. And it's a nice one. You can chill here on that stones there. You know? Like, where I came from, we have freedom. Where I came from African Kenya. Especially in Kenya, we have freedom. You know, you can do what you want to do. You know, wow. So I'm heading this way, and technically, I want to show you a little bit some a good church around my village. But for me, I'm a Roman Catholic, and my entire family, they are Roman Catholic. So right now here, this Pefa church, we call Pentecost. I think Pefa is in short form, but when I want to put maybe long, we call Pentecost, maybe East Africa, like that church. But where my family worship, it's a Roman Catholic church, you know, like this one here. Yes, this is a good church meant for zinc or iron sheet. This is the bridge, local bridge going on that church. Wow, guys, thank you so much. More amazing videos coming. Keep it locked and drop the sweet comment on today's vlog. Kids are going to the river. Man, Dad. Yeah, they are going to fetch water. So more amazing videos coming, and in case you are new here on today's vlog and you haven't subscribed, please, today's today, subscribe, show me some love. If you can share my videos, maybe when I get 5 people, share my videos to 100 people, I will appreciate. And for me, I'm just climbing the ladder slowly by itself. And anyway, I'm so grateful for today. I want to show you my local maybe shop around here. So sometime maybe when it's too late, you run to local shop here. So we found things like sugar, salt, soap, cooking oil for maybe around $50. So that's the simple life in my village here, and I'm so grateful. So let me show you. We have the local shop here. Before I end this video, man, look, the land of green nature everywhere, green. Guys, you can comment maybe some places where I went through. Maybe you comment, hello baby, I see that place is dry, maybe area, dry sceneries, but for me, where I came from, it's purely green. Sedene mwana mogi alikuja nyumbani. Wow. So even right now we have the local shop over here. We have another one going this way, and I hope maybe if I could have maybe small coin, I could show you. Imagine. And they are coming maybe a small modern shop like over there. Wow. Wow. So that's the beauty of my village. We have another shop over here. I'm telling you, that is the shop over there. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. Today. Keep it locked. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Share my videos to your family. Share my videos to your brother and sister. Share my videos to your mom and my beloved mom and dad. Guys, we shall meet on the next video. Keep it tuned, guys. Oh, guys, we changed another route. I'm heading to Border Town. Motorbike. Whoa. So, there's some boats crossing the road. Look. Beautiful story. Whoa. Karamba tunakupamba mtu. Imagine guys, goats are crossing the road like crazy. Wow. We're heading to Border Town. Meanwhile, I want to make money. Ready to get. And I'm on a motorbike. Imagine. Collection going on here, you see. Look, the kids are riding bike. That being said earlier, that's my Roman Catholic Church. Go ahead. Wow guys, so right now I'm heading home. Wow, I'm from Town and actually, oh, we have a dump site here. That one there. Wow. So this is my motorbike. You know, sometimes my baby needs to change the gear. And I went there to put the gas for around $3. So maybe it can push me. So going around, and I want to pass over my neighbor. I think right now he came maybe from any place. So this is my bed over here, and want to make some conversation because for the $400 I want to pay him maybe slow. God is good. Open the door in another way. Technically I'm heading this way. Hey, boy. Technically guys, I'm heading home, and hey, everybody know me. They call me hello baby, you know. I'm a man of the people. I'm a man of the people, man. So that being said, I'm a man of the people. I'm a man of the people, you know. A thousand of the people. So right now we head this way. Whoa. Let's go. So maybe I think this video I could end at my home there. But first, let me pass to my neighbor. So even maybe tomorrow you will see me making some payments, maybe for around, maybe let me say maybe $40, $100. It depends maybe the time when I get money. But tomorrow I will pay maybe at least $100. And mom, thank you so much. But keep supporting me, and the rest of the people who are watching my videos, may God bless you. You know, that being said, I'm a man of the people. I'm a man of the God. God helped me. God helped me, and maybe from one direction to another. Like I have the sharp corner here. You must go slow. Robbie! Guys, I found the owner, so he was heading to Town. So anyway, I changed my mind, so let me go. But I will come at night and then we'll talk with him. Wow. Woo! Guys, let me tell you, I was missing my baby a lot. Around 5 days walking, I think 5 to 4 days. But today, you know what? I put for the around for $3, so it's okay. So I want to tell, okay, you have already taken the bricks outside. Wow. So it means tomorrow he will make some bricks. Wow guys, thank you for your full support, mom. May God bless you. And for the rest who are watching my videos, by supporting me, may God bless you always. And for the silent subscriber, may God bless you. Wow. So right now I'm heading home, and that's the base. So technically, big shout out to Aisha Wine and Twin Sister TV. So he had a nice channel. Go and check him. It's for a long time, but for me, maybe when people keep maybe inspired me, I give them some free shout out, guys. Go and check Aisha Wine, and go and check Twin Sister TV, because the reason why being said Twin Sister. Oh, I'm back home. So the reason why being called Twin Sister, because they are twins. So she came up with a good channel, Twin Sister TV, and then Aisha Wine. So one decided to open another channel called Aisha Wine. Guys, go and show him some love. And I don't want to forget my brother Monkey, wherever you are. May God bless you abundantly, because you made it possible to have a bike like this. Man, may God bless you. And all in well. So I want to park my bike here, and then to end my video at home. Wow, guys, imagine this is my baby here, and our cow grazing here, my mom's cow. Wow. Anyway, guys, I was going to Border Town to make oh wow, so just a minute, guys. I realized this cow will fall down my baby. You know, when the rope, this rope, when it goes circular, it take my bike down. Oh. So for now, let me park here. Just a minute, guys. Oh my God. I want to park where there is safe. Wow. Let me park here. I think here is better. So by now, you know, I went to True Boy, but I was having different shot. Then inside here, when you watch my videos, let me open for you guys. When you watch my videos, I was having these shots here. So anyway, it's because of the time and the weather change. So I went there. Let me tell you one thing. I went there, and man, I got inspired by True Boy. But I'm keep making some research to see whether 3-bedroom it can fit here, over here. So I'm going around, and even by tomorrow morning, I will pay maybe some dollars for the bricks, for the starting. And the guy have already made around 4,000 bricks. So we're remaining with 6,000 bricks to go. Anyway, that is it. And I'm keep grinding. And guys, if you are in touch, you can support maybe one tipper for the stones, for the hardcore of the ground. You can do so. And for me, I'm just saying what I'm passing through, and then I let you to know. Sometime, man, because our place is not big, much big. Like you can say, for example, you can build a big house. Our place is like a small place. Maybe we try to see whether the house can fit, because maybe here in the future I'm trying to put we calling the perimeter wall here, because when my mom have the back porch here and the kitchen will be back, so no one maybe they can see and all stuff. You know what I mean? So I build a small 3-bedroom house, size 1, and which maybe can go with the field or with the space. Wow. For me, I'm so grateful. I'm so super grateful, guys. Wow. The work that I have done to my family, and always you keep by watching my videos, you know. Wow, what can I say? But I say big thanks to my fan, for those who keep supporting me by watching my videos, and all the time positive vibe win, you know. So right now I was making like maybe people think like I'm making jokes, but I'm serious, guys. For this, I'm serious for this. So the hardcore is down there, so I want to show you. Daddy, ona kinda nyonya. Oh, so In case you are new here, guys, let me show the hardcore for the ground. And if you can support maybe one tipper or one lorry, and one lorry it can go to 60 USD, 60 USD each, and always even the sand. But right now we put more effort on the hardcore. Man, without you, I couldn't maybe the way I am today. It's by God's plan, and I say, God, thank you for the gift of life. Thank you a million for those people who are supporting me. Thank you a million. Every day I done a repetition, but I'm sorry for this by saying maybe thank you. Because when God uplifts you, I must appreciate. Yeah, that's the cow. You heard? So maybe they feel hungry. So in terms of balance stones, I think this one will be okay. Maybe for starting, maybe for like putting for the plane or for the field of the house, this one will be finished up. And this is the hardcore for the ground. Try to imagine, at least I put some more effort or some steps. I bought this one around 60 USD. I bought this one 60 USD, but I used it for maybe plastering my toilet, fixing tiles and all stuff. So that is it. Anyway, guys, let me head this way. I want to end my video, wow, with you, and to say thank you. Wow. So we shall meet on the next video, which is coming by tomorrow. And in case you meet this video, please guys, share to your friends, share to your family, show me some love, and I'm just over here to appreciate you. Maybe this week I will fix one toilet. Yeah, because right now we're remaining with 2 toilets, and then we move out. Slowly I will fix one toilet, only one toilet, because the on my pocket it can reach only one toilet. It depends, maybe I will start on my toilet or my mom's toilet, so it depends. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. So it's evening time, and I was maybe passing through some challenges here and there, but all in well, we came back home, and I'll finish my video like this, guy. I love you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.